Welcome to Mission DIY. Today I'm fixing a plumbing detail that I didn't get quite right the first time. When I ran this horizontal drain line, I originally used a regular T fitting right here, and at first glance it seemed fine. Everything lined up, it glued together clean, and I moved on. But after stepping back and thinking it through, I realized this wasn't the best way to handle it, especially since this spot is meant to be a cleanout. On a horizontal drain line, a regular T doesn't give you great access for snaking or cleaning a pipe. What works much better here is a sanitary T, used strictly for cleanout access. That way, if this line ever needs to be snaked, I can pop the cap off and get a smooth direct shot down the pipe without fighting sharp edges. This here is about a 20-foot long horizontal run of 1.5 inch and 2 inch PVC. We already have a cleanout on the vertical stack. Russ and I really wanted to be able to have access to this long run of horizontal drain and be able to clean it out if it ever got clogged. So check with your local codes to see what's right in your area, but in our case, we wanted to have the option. I'm going to be cutting out this other fitting and replacing it with this one. So right here I have a reducer where my 1.5 inch line will go into here, and then on the other side my 2 inch line will go into here. I have this other connection that my cap can screw into. So I'm going to install my cleanout this way. The drain stack is over there and my sink is over there. So I want the cleanout to be going towards the drain because we can always clean it out from the sink drain over there as well. A small change, but it makes future me or whoever owns this house later very thankful. And yeah, redoing work is never fun. Nobody likes cutting into something they already glued up. But fixing it now is way better than dealing with a clog later and wishing you'd done it right. I used PVC purple primer and clear PVC cement, linked to in the description below. This fix reminded me of Proverbs 12:15. The wise listen to advice. I realized I could either ignore what I knew was the better way or fix it now. I think wisdom, especially in DIY, is being willing to stop, adjust, and do it right, even when it means redoing work. Doing this right, even when it's hidden, still matters. That's good workmanship, and honestly, it's good stewardship. Now it's all ready and prepped. This comes out past the wood here, and it will come into the cabinet under the sink and ready for the sink drain installation. This video is part of my basement finishing series, so if you want to follow along with the full build, be sure to like and subscribe and hit the bell for notifications on the next video. And if you're tackling a similar project or just enjoy honest DIY builds, check out our other videos linked below. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you right here for the next project in my basement.